Okay, so as a continuation, 3 more problems for pressure vessels. So let us go answer this following questions. So number 4, a cylindrical tank has a thickness of 55, okay, 55 mm. The internal diameter is 320 mm and has an internal pressure of 8,300 kPa. Find the maximum tangential stress. Okay? So let us check first if a thick wall or thin wall pressure vessel. Okay? So number 4, thickness divided by di is equal to, so 55 divided by 320 is equal to 55 divided by 320. Okay? 0.171875. Okay, thickness and then internal diameter. Okay. So this is, I think, greater than mhm, mhm. Great it is greater than 0.07. Shall stress. I don't have any external pressure here. Hmm. So 55 divided by 320. Okay. This is greater than 0.07. So this is, I think, thick wall. Yes, sir. Wala tayong external pressure. So it could be that the external pressure mhm. Tingnan natin. 8,000 kPa. What if, what if yung external pressure natin is equal to atmospheric? Let us try. Okay? Pero first, I don't know kung magkakuha natin tamang answer. What if we try yung maximum tangential stress on thin wall? Okay? That is Pi di over 2Te. Since walang E, 1 yan. So internal pressure is 8,300 kPa. Okay? 8,300 kPa. Internal diameter is 320 mm. The thickness is 55 mm. Na kPa yan, kailangan natin MPa. So 1 MPa is 1,000 kPa. So this is 8,300 times 320, okay, divide by 2 times 55 times 1,000. So this is 24.14. Okay, 24.14. 1455 MPa. So malayo yung sagot. Okay, I don't know. Questionable to. What if ayusin natin siya? So S max is equal to P re. Kaya lang, wala kang outside. Solve mo pa yon. P re squared minus po rho squared over RO squared minus RI squared plus P po rho squared RI squared over RO squared minus RI squared. Ayan. Tapos, we are Paano ba to? We don't have to use yung RO o RI. Check first. Okay, kung anong gagamitin natin. So, take note. Si PO natin is atmosphere. PI natin is 8,300 kPa. 8,300 kPa. kPa. Ayan. Let us try. So, PI, PO, yung RO muna. Solve natin. So, DO is equal to DI plus 2T. So, DI is 320 plus 2 times 55. So, DO is 320 times plus 55 times 2. That is 430. 430. Yeah. Okay. PI is 8,300 kPa times RI na RI natin. DI 320 divide by 2. So 320 divide by 2. 160 mm squared minus PO is 101.325 kPa. Tapos this is 430, that is 215 mm squared. Okay? Divide by, buuin na natin since parehas naman may RO squared yan. Okay? Buuin natin to. So, taas muna lahat. So, yung P po muna. Minus, okay, minus PO, 8,300 minus 101.325. Okay, kPa times RO squared. RO is 215 times 160 mm squared. Okay, all over. O yan. Yung RO ko is 215 squared minus 160 squared. Yan. So 830 minus times 160 squared, okay, minus 101.325 times 215 squared, okay, minus yung buo 8,300 minus 101.325 times 215 times 160 square natin yon, divide by 215 squared, sa baba ako, 215 squared minus 160 squared. Okay. Kulang tayo dito. Since this is external, i-divide ko na lang ng 215. Kaya wala na yung 215 dito. Ba't naging negative?
Sir, di ba po plus yan? Sa...
Teka. Plus to plus. Okay? Plus. Yan. Tapos, yung taas, tinanggal ko yung 215. 215. Tapos, yan. So, masyadong malaki. Kaya ang gagawin natin, tanggalin natin it's either 160 or 215 para masakto natin yung sagot. Okay. Let us check. Mhm. 215 squared 101. Naka-KPA ito ah. Yan. So nakuha na natin siya. 28 KPA na. Tandaan nyo, KPA. So tinanggal ko dito yung 215. Ayun, 160. Yan. Tinanggal ko si 160 mm squared. Bakit? I-multiply ko kasi taas yung 1 over Ri naka-squared. Ayan. Lagyan natin. Okay? Tinanggal ko si Ri dyan. 1 over Ri squared. So, kakancel mo yan. Cancel mo to. Ayan. Kinapa ko lang yung calculation. Since this is in KPA, divide mo na lang 1,000. Okay. Equal, okay? Divide by 1,000. Yan. The answer is, na-divide natin ng 1,000 KPA every MPA. So, cancel, cancel, ang lalabas si MPA. The answer is 28.449 MPA. Medyo tricky lang yung question. Okay? Very tricky yung question. Hindi to pwede. Kasi chinek mo yung kanyang thickness and diameter. Okay? So, number 4, na-challenge tayo. Number 5, next, please mute your microphones. I think this is a typo. Typo error tong number 5. This should be 1.385 inch. Let us see later. A cylindrical tank has an inside diameter of 6 inch. Okay? And is subject to an internal pressure of 600 psi. If the maximum stress is 1,300, calculate the required thickness. So dito, hindi mo siya malalaman if this is thick wall or thin wall. Pero, wala naman binigay sa yung outside pressure, wala rin binigay sa yung external diameter. Okay? Yun yung mga kailangan mong tignan sa keynotes mo. So, number 5. Sinabi dyan maximum. So, S max. Okay, tangential yan. Tangential. So, this is equal to PD over 2TE. Walang binigay na weld efficiency. This is 1. Okay? So, hinahanap is the required thickness. So, T is equal to EI DI over 2S. Internal pressure is internal pressure is 600 psi. DI is 6 inch. Tama ba? Inside diameter is 6 inch. Divide by 2S. 2 times 1,300 psi. Cancel to, ito. Matitira 6 inch. Okay? So this is 600. Okay? Times 6. Divide by 2 times 1,300. 1.385. T is 1.385 inch. O, typo error lang yun. Yun nandyan. Ayan. I think kulang ng 0. 13,000. Kung 13,000 to, try mo. Kung 13,000. Ayan. Yan dapat lalabas. Okay? Typo error yan. 13,000 PSI. Okay? For number 6, spherical tank. Oh, binigay ka agad spherical tank. So that is PD over 40. Has a diameter of 12 meters. If the tangential stress of the tank is 18 MPa, determine the maximum internal pressure the tank can carry if the wall thickness is 25 cm. Oh. Maximum internal. Oh. So that is tangential, spherical naman yan. That is S equal to P D over 2T. Hindi yan 2T. So this is 4T. Okay, inahanap natin si internal pressure. So PI equal to 4S times T divided by DI. 4 times the stress na ibinigay. Stress is 18 MPa. 18 MPa. 18 MPa tapos ST. T thickness is 25 cm. Okay? 25 cm. Tapos yung internal diameter ko is 12 meters. The 120 1,200 cm. Yan. So, ba't naging ganun? Di ba, every 1 meter is 100 cm. O di multiply mo lang. Canceling all same units. Okay? KPA yung lalabas is 1,000 KPA per 1 MPa. Wala ko ng 0. Ayan. So, this will become 4 times 1,800 times 25 times 1,000 divide by 1,200. That is 150,000 KPA ba nakalagay dun? 1,500 KPA. Okay? 12 meters. 1,200. Okay. 25 cm. Okay. 100 times 12. Ayan. So this will become 1,500 KPA. Okay, pwede naman ganito. Gawin mo. Yung 25, divide mo na ng 100. Tapos ito, 12. Yan. O, ganun talaga lumalabas eh. Okay, 18 MPa. Eh, ba't baliktad? Sorry. Sorry. My mistake. 100 lang nilagay ko. Tapos 1 MPa. Ayan. Cancel si MPa. Ang lalabas KPa. Okay. Sim lang. Okay. 1,800. Dito ako nagkamali. Ayan. 18 MPa. So 1.5 lang talaga. Okay. O, ayun. So that is for number 4, 5, and 6. Okay? You may stop the recording.